Hi everyone, welcome back. It has been a long time since I made a video about our project of the month, but this month the reason I'm doing so is because we have two projects that I'd like to present to everyone. The first one is in preparation for next month's annual fundraiser for the Hobby Potter Live Group, which is called the Cup-O-Rama. And it's for Potters for Peace, where we help raise money to help the organization, and they bring clean drinking water to areas of the world that don't have access to it. If you want to go ahead and check them out, I'll leave a link above so that you can see who they are. But what we do is we make cups, make a cup or multiple cups if you want to donate more, and we sell the cup and donate the proceeds to Potters for Peace. Oh, excuse me, something just fell down in my shop. That scared me. Anyway, I'm not going to cut this video. This is a one-take Tammy, just telling you right now. So what I'd like for you to do is to create a cup and then sell the cup, and next month when we present the fundraiser, you'll be able to make a donation from the sale of that cup. So September, that's project number one. If you need to know how to make a cup, I believe it was January's project. I'll put another link above to help you go and find resources on how to actually make a cup. You can glaze it any way you want, and as soon as you're done making the cup that you're going to sell, post a picture of it, because it's so encouraging to see that other people are participating in that. But October, that's when I'll present you'll have until October. You can go all the way through the month of October to sell your cup or cups, multiple, if you are feeling generous, and donate to the organization. But this month's project that I actually drew from the bowls, project number 2, is for the technique will be, no, you go design first. The form is Windchime, and I bet it looks backwards. Yes, it does, because I'm doing selfie mode here. And the design technique is flowers. So if you make a wind chime with flowers, you can do it in any form you like. It could be a hand building, this could be a wheel throwing, however you choose to make your wind chime. I may throw up some pictures. I haven't made the printout yet because I'll be honest, I'm a little late in doing the form where I print out how to make something. So give me a day and I'll have it done probably before tomorrow. So anyway, hopefully this is something you want to participate in. I love seeing everything that you post here. We have a lot of new people here. We have some, what do we call them? Seasoned potters, let's call them that, because sometimes it's a hobby, so you don't always do it every day. But hopefully you guys have been enjoying the projects and you enjoy the group. Thank you for sharing with each other and helping out when people need it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and the Hobby Potter YouTube channel will be having some videos soon. I have tons of videos saved up from this entire year, so I'm just gonna piece them out as best I can and start editing soon. Thank you guys for being here. We so appreciate you. Love you.